everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to be talking about getting the best sound out of your Samsung phone. Now, when you listen to music or watch YouTube or whatever, everybody's ears are different. And also, when you listen to music either through the phone or through headsets, you might want to go through and personalize and customize. Now, the first thing you're able to do is change the sound of what happens when it comes through your phone speakers. So first, what you're able to do is go through the settings, go inside of sounds, and you're going to scroll down to sound quality and effects. Now inside of here, just make sure you have your Dolby Atmos turned on and you can place it inside of auto. And then you want to go to your equalizer, and this is one of the first things you're able to change if you want it to sound better when you're listening to music either through the phone or through your headset. Mine is set up to rock. Now, not every single phone gives you the opportunity of doing an equalizer, so you might as well take advantage and definitely turn this on. Now, the main portion of this video is talking about what happens when you're somewhere, plugged in with a headset, either with your USB dongle or with your Bluetooth, headphones, but you're able to add personalized sounds if you're somebody who has either better hearing in your left or better hearing in the right. Maybe you're over 60 years old or under 30. So when you go through, you want to make sure you go to a quiet location. No sound anywhere next to you to actually go through, and you can set up your own personalized profile. But through here, you're able to choose ones that are automatically pre-set up. So let's say that we go with the under 30 years old. I hit on the settings. What you're going to see is two different colored lines. You have a lighter line and a darker line. The darker line is what is being added when you turn on this option. Now, when you go through and you set up your own personalized sound profile, you just want to click right there. Now, again, it states go to a quiet location, put on headphones, and close all of the media applications just so you can test it and go through. So I'm going to go through start, and I've already done this from before, and I cleared it out to show you what it looks like when you start over, but I know what is happening. Right now, there is a beep that is playing, and it could be a low beep, it could be a high-pitched beep, but it's doing it on the left and also on the right. So right now, there might be a little sound coming through the right-hand side, and it could be super low in terms of sound, but yes, I am able to hear it. Now we're going to probably have a lower sound playing in the left, and it's just trying to see if you're able to hear any of these sounds. So it's going to play its highs, it's going to play its lows, it's going to play the mids, and if you can't hear it, just say no. And really, take this seriously. Put these things in your ear, go somewhere quiet. And when I went through, I believe there was only about 4 of them I couldn't hear, or 5 of them I couldn't hear. But really, it's going to make a really nice profile for you when you listen to something with your headphones plugged in. So this personalized sound is really only when you have it either plugged in or Bluetooth buds in your ear. So everything you do through Adapt Sound will be coming through anything plugged in. Again, through your dongle or through the buds. And then Equalizer works at any time, any moment. I just like it on rock. It sounds just a little bit better. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you liked this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll.